1. The utopian illusion. Imagine a world where money is extinct and every physical whim is granted by benevolent AI. You've been told Iain M. Banks's culture is the ultimate utopia, but that's a lie. Even in post-scarcity, the hunger for power doesn't vanish. It just evolves into a cutthroat game of social status. What do you do when you have everything, but you're still at the bottom of the ladder? 2. The myth of the equalizer. We are dismantling the illusion of the culture to reveal a hidden, mind-led hierarchy that feeds on human ego. True equality is impossible when social capital becomes the only currency left to hoard. The greatest myth of the culture is the assumption that infinite resources automatically forge a flat social structure. 3. The currency of attention. But post-scarcity isn't the end of desire. It's simply the shift from physical needs to psychological validation. When money disappears, it creates a massive vacuum, a vacuum immediately filled by the quest for influence. In a world of free matter, reputation and standing become the only tradable commodities. The ultimate luxury isn't a starship, it's access. 4. The mind-human power asymmetry. Then, there is the grand illusion of partnership between the godlike AI minds and their biological charges. Let's be clear, this is not a democracy. The minds hold an absolute monopoly on information, logistics, and decision-making. The human experience in the culture is essentially a gilded cage, a flawlessly engineered simulation of agency. 5. Status obsession and special circumstances. So how does a human achieve genuine consequence in a stagnant, safe universe? Enter special circumstances. This is the allure of the edge. These agents seek out danger, espionage, and moral ambiguity, just to feel superior to the average hedonistic citizen back home. The desperate need for meaningful work births a new arrogant class. 6. The eternal trap of the human ego. Iain M. Banks built a utopia, but he also hid a profound warning inside it. Human nature is fundamentally competitive. Look at our own 2026 digital reputation systems. We are already mirroring the social credit themes hidden within the series. The truth is, even in a perfect world where the machines give you the universe, the scarcity of being someone ensures that inequality will always find a way to reinvent itself. Thanks for watching.